Happy Thursday, first grade. Today we will tell time to the half hour. We will tell time to the half hour using analog and digital clocks. It is important to be able to tell time to the half hour. Let's review our vocabulary words. Hour, say hour. An hour is 60 minutes long. Analog, say analog. An analog clock is a tool for reading the time of day. The shortest hand indicates the hour and the longer hand indicates the minutes. Digital, say digital. A clock that displays the time in numerical digits rather than by hands on a dial. The hour is on the left and the minute is on the right. Clock, say clock. A clock is a tool for reading the time of day. Face, say face. A face is the round part with the numbers and hands on a clock. Hour hand, say hour hand. The hour hand is the short hand. We read the hour hand first. Minute hand, say minute hand. The minute hand is the long hand. We read it second, counting by fives. Half hour, say half hour. A half hour is 30 minutes. 3:30 is half past 3 o'clock. Oh no. I forgot to tell y'all. My watch broke. Looks like some of y'all's tablets, doesn't it? So I might be a little late picking up my class for recess. Unless you can help me. Think you can help me? I need your help showing 11:30, the time I pick up my class for recess, on the analog clock and the digital clock. So if I pick them up at 11:30, what number should the hour hand be pointing to? That's right, it is halfway between the 11 and the 12. What about my minute hand? What number is it going to point to? Correct. It's going to point to the 6 because remember we count by fives for minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. When the minute hand is pointing at the 6, that is minute 30. All right, so now let's set the time on the digital clock. So for 11:30, what would the hour be? 11, that's right. What about the minutes? 30, very good. Oh, thank you so much. My class will be so happy that you helped me with this. But I have another problem that I need your help fixing because I have to get up at 5:30 every morning. Now I'm afraid I'll be late to school. Can you help me set this clock to 5:30 so I know what time to get up? If it's 5:30, what number should my hour hand be pointing to? 5, but since it's 5:30, it's going to be halfway between the 5 and the 6. It's not going to be on the 6 yet. What about my minute hand for 5:30? Count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it's going to point to the 6 again. Good job. What about the digital clock? Is it going to be 5 or 6? 5 for 5:30. And the minutes? That's going to be 30. Thank you very much, first graders. Now I will be on time to recess and I will be on time to school. Your turn. You're going to write the time to the half hour on this analog clock and this digital clock. Show 2:30 on both clocks. Use the pen tool to draw the hands and the numbers. Next, you are going to look at the 4 digital clocks at the bottom and write the time on the analog clock. So if it says 7:30, you're going to draw the hands on the analog clock so that it shows 7:30. Same thing with this analog clock. You're going to draw the hands to show the time that the digital clock shows at the bottom, 9:30. 4:30, and then you're going to show 12:30. When you're finished, you have a telling time to the half-hour video to go watch before you go to your extra math and your iStation. Now, what did you learn today? I don't know. You taught me today. You learned that a half hour is 30 minutes and that would be 30 minutes past 3 o'clock. 3:30. You were able to tell me what number the hour hand should be pointing at for 5:30 and what number the minute hand should be pointing at for 5:30. And then you told me that the hour is on the left and the minute is on the right. And then I guess I better go get a new watch. Have a good day.